for the build is how to use Gemma 4 in Google AI Studio. Yeah, so you can just type Google AI Studio. You open it, and then you'll be taken to Playground. Okay, wherever you are, you can just come back to Playground, and then you choose anti-gravity agent preview. Okay, select it, then you choose Gemma. All right, then you choose the variant you want. Okay, so you can choose the variant with the 26 billion parameters, or you can go with the Gemma 4 31 billion parameters. Okay, so you can just select either of them, and then you see that it is selected here. It will prompt you that selected Gemma 4 31 billion parameters. All right, then you can set up your temperature, your thinking level, and then the tools you need, and then you explore the models, you choose the one you need, or you can select any of it, and then you start building. All right, you can add more tools here if you want to, and then that will be all.